Good morning, everyone. Today is Tuesday, July 9th. Happy Tuesday, everybody. Hopefully everyone's having a good day. I wanted to go over my trade recap and let you know what's going on. So, sad to say, the 12th day ended in a red day. Not a massive problem, but man, did I ever have some difficulties today getting it right. And what's interesting about that is I think I broke every rule in my book, and I wasn't taking profits when I should have been taking profits. And I took a bit more risk in share size. That kind of steps out the box, the sandbox I like to play in. And as a result, with much lower volume and the market being just a little more on the volatile side, it rendered me a red day. Anyways, let's get right into it. AMD just skyrocketed today, and basically I took a very, very small short trade, and you can see in the 1 minute candles right at the open, you can see in this area right here. Let me just scroll over into this area right here. You can see I entered a trade based on a few minutes of strong green candles, had a little bit of a pullback, entered, gave me some cold feet. It was a small position actually that I entered, started to do a big pump up, and I started to taking some of my profits. But the reality here was I was in a second trade at the same time with Micron Technologies MU. And I got out because I had a larger share position in MU, and I didn't have time to focus on this, so I did get out. Ultimately, it's too bad because this is the stock that I needed to stay in and kind of monitor and buy more shares as we were going over milestones. Like this just basically grew the entire way up until now. It still has a bit of a pullback right now, but it's a very strong stock, AMD. The one that really killed me though was playing MU, and this is probably one of the worst charts that I've ever seen myself trade. And this is what you call a Christmas tree, but the Christmas tree did not work in my favor. So, long and short, I lost about $450 on MU, which kind of took out a day and a half of my previous winning trades. But this could have been a lot worse, and honestly, this was a good pullback for me, meaning I learned a lot out of this morning's trade. I know where my rules were broken, and I'll have to accept the loss. It started off okay, just a very strong stock right off the 9:30 a.m. market open. Just look at the 1 minute candle right here. Just explosive move up, waited for a bit of a pullback. That's this wick right here. I got in right away, started making some trades. This is when it started to decline. Believe it or not, I was taking advantage of this pullback and rebought in. However, it was still pulling back a little bit more. I ended up getting all out. Then I got back in on this dip, and you know what? From there, psychologically, I was all over the place. And from there, it was just all downhill, just sloppy trading Micron Technologies this morning. And honestly, this is a classic case of wanting to beat the market, and it's probably the worst way to trade. And today, for certain, was definitely a good lesson for me. It came out with a $449 loss, but certainly, after 11 consecutive green days, I was able to take this loss. This is probably a healthy pullback because I'm going to be getting some good lessons out of this day trading. Anyways, here we are, guys, the 12th trading day of my live recaps, and it's a red. But I will be back tomorrow morning, and for certain, you know what? I'm not going to wear my red t-shirt anymore. Maybe the red t-shirt is the problem this morning. So I will be back tomorrow morning, and I will sure be trading a little more cautiously, and I'm going to be going for a green day. For now, guys, happy trading, trade safe, and we will see you tomorrow. Take care, guys.